Let's solve question number B. First one. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. First one, is angle B adjacent to angle C? So see here in this diagram, this one is angle B and this one is the angle C. So there are three conditions for the adjacent angles. So first condition is a common vertex. Vertex means common point. So here common point is point O. So first condition is satisfied. Now see here between angle B and angle C, which one is the common side, common arm? That is arm OT. Okay, so second condition is also satisfied. Now third condition is what here? Non-common arms. Which are the non-common arms between these two angles? OS and OP. So in this condition, non-common arms are lying on exactly opposite side of the common arms. So third condition is also satisfied because PO and OS here exactly opposite to the common arm. Okay, so here angle B is adjacent to angle C. So your answer is angle B adjacent to angle C? So your answer is yes. So now next example, is the angle POT adjacent to angle POS? So here POT is this, POS is this. Now in this angles, for this angle, see a common vertex is what here? Point O. So first condition is satisfied. Now second condition is what here? Which one is the common arm here? OP. Correct. This one is the common arm. Non-common arm is OT and OS. So third condition is what here? Non-common arm are exactly opposite to the common arm. Right. So see here. But in this condition, here these two non-common arms are not on the opposite sides of the common arm. That means they are one side, only exactly one side of the common arm. So that means OT and OS are lying on exactly one side of the common arm. So that's why answer of the second question is no. So now next example, question number 3. Do angle POR and angle POS form a linear pair? So see here, angle POR and POS form a linear pair. So here answer is yes, because the sum of a linear pair is, first thing is 180 degree, as well as the two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. So your non-common arms is OS and OR. So these two non-commons are two opposite rays. So answer of this question is S. So now next example, fourth one. Is angle B vertically opposite to angle E? So see here, the answer is no, because angle B and angle E. Okay, so the concept of vertically opposite angles, that is the two intersecting lines, form two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So this is the concept of vertically opposite angles. Okay, but in this diagram, these two angles, angle B and angle E, these two angles are not formed by the pair of intersecting line. So see here, this one is line, but this one is not a line. So this one is first arm, that is OT, and this second one is OR. So that means these two angles are not formed by a pair of intersecting lines. So that's why here answer is no. So now next example is, are angle E and angle D are supplementary? So here answer is yes, because the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So that's why here answer is S. So this is the answer of question number 5. Now let's solve next example. Example number 3. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. First example is 70 degree. Okay, so we know that the concept of supplement. Okay, so two angles are said to be supplementary. What is the condition? If their sum is 180 degree. Okay, so we have to calculate the supplement of this angle, that is a 70 degree. Okay, so first consider, let the required angle be x. Okay, so we know that addition of two supplementary angles, that is 180 degree. So now see here, in the left hand side the sign of the 70 is plus, so we have to shift this 70 to the right hand side. So write down here opposite sign. So what is the opposite sign of addition? So that is a minus. So subtract 70 from 180. So what is the answer here? 110. So see here, 180 minus 70. So yes, 0 minus 0, answer is 0. 8 minus 7, answer is 1, and 1 is carry. So your answer of this question, that is a supplement of angle 70 degree, that is a 110 degree. So let's solve next example. Question number 3, 50 degrees. So again in this example we have to calculate the supplement of this angle 50 degree. So again consider, here we know that the concept of supplementary, two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. So here let the required angle be x. So we know that the addition of 50 and x, that is 180 degree. So here in the left hand side the sign of 50 is a plus, so shift this 50 to the right hand side. So your answer is minus. So subtract 50 from 180. So your answer is 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, answer is 3, and 1 is carry. So what is the answer here? X is equal to 130 degree. So this is the supplement of angle 50 degree. So this is the answer of question number 3. So let's solve next example, that is a question number 5th one, that is a 90 degree. So we know that here two angles are said to be supplementary if their addition is, that is their sum is 180 degree. So let the required angle be x degree, correct? So x 90 degree plus x degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Again concept is same. In the left hand side the sign of 90 is plus, so shift this to the right hand side. So your middle sign is minus. So subtract 90 from 180. So what is the answer here? 0 minus 0, answer is 0. 9 is a greater than 8, so write down here 18. So 18 minus 9, answer is 9. So what is the answer here? Answer of this question is 90 degree. Let's solve next example. Example number 7th one, 180 degree. We have to find the supplement of 180 degree. So here two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. So let the required angle be x degree. So we know that 180 plus x degree, which is equal to 180. So in the left hand side the sign of 180 is plus, so shift this 180 to the right hand side. So here middle sign is minus. So we know that here 180 minus 180, what is the answer here? 0 degree, correct? So this is the answer of question number 7th one. So now let's solve question number next example, that is find the complement of each of the following angles. So your first one is 55 degree. So here we have to find, in this example we have to find the complement of this 55 degree. So what is the concept of complementary angles? So two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay, so let the required angle be x. So we know that addition of 55 degree plus x degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so now shift this 55 to the right hand side. So middle sign is always minus, because in the left hand side the sign of 55 is plus, so shift this 55 to the right hand side. So middle sign is minus. So 90 minus 55, what is the answer here? 35. So see here, cancel this 0, write down here 10. 10 minus 5, answer is 5. Cancel this 9, write down here 8. 8 minus 5, answer is 3. So answer of this question is 35. So that means complement of 55, that is 35 degree. Next example is question number 3, 45 degree. So again same concept here, we have to find the complement of this 45. So two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree, correct? So first consider that is let the required angle be x. So we know that the addition of 45, that means addition of two angles, that is a 90 degree. So shift this 45 to the right hand side. So you made a sign here minus. So 90 minus 45. So 10 minus 5, answer is 5. Cancel this, write down here 8. 8 minus 4, answer is 4. So what is answer here? 45 degree. So this is the answer of question number 3. Similarly, let's solve next example. Question number 5th one. Again we have to calculate complement of this angle 30 degree. So your two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree, correct? So let the required angle be x. So we know that here 30 plus x, which is equal to 90 degree. So sign of this 30 in the left hand side, that is a plus. So shift to this 30 to the right hand side. So here middle sign is minus. So 90 minus 30, what is the answer here? 60 degree. So this is the answer of question number 5.